most people nowadays are thinking about replacing the heating and air conditioning systems only because of operating costs. Air conditioning heating systems is what eats up about 58% of utility costs in a home. Okay, so they're just like Pac-Man. Remember the old Pac-Man? Well, that's just eating juice. That's all it's doing. So people got $200-300 electric bills, and they want to go ahead and cut them down. So we replace the systems. We can save them up to 100%. So that means that you're spending $200 a month, which is not uncommon. You drop it down $100. That's $100 savings every month.